First, remove the buckle at this position. Take out the buckle with the tool. Take out the engine bay cover. Take out the rubber strip. Loosen the R components. After removing the above components, start to remove the front grille. Remove with a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the screws on our side. Release assembly. Raise the vehicle to continue disassembly. Since this Civic has a front lip, so need to remove the screws under it. Remove all buckles. The original Civic headlight can now be removed. Remove the 4 screws of the headlights. There is also a screw in this one. This is the 4th screw. Unplug all plugs and install new headlights. This is our Civic Dragon Wing headlights. It can be assembled on Civic Hatchback, Sedan, Type R, Civic C and other models. The headlight assembly has some plugs. They are turn signal, low beam and high beam respectively. This is the plug of the original car. Let's start connecting the plugs of car lights. This is the turn signal plug. The 2 plugs are the high beam and the low beam respectively. This is the high beam plug. This is the low beam plug. This is the motor plug. This is a 3-hole daytime running light plug. Direct access. Start installation test. Turn signal. Daytime running light. Low beam, high beam. No problem with the headlight test. Start installation. Then fix the bottom screw. Install the front grille as well. Then install the screws to fix it. Now let's look at the overall effect after installation. Start the car again and check the headlight effect. Start up sequence. Turn signal. Low beam, high beam. High and low beam switching. Civic Dragon Wing headlight effect display.